Hi dear students, I am Kirtiga, Assistant Professor of Commerce CA, Mannar Thirumalai Noyakar College, Madurai. Today we have discussed Financial Accounting 1, the title of Royalty. What is meant by royalty? How many terms are using the royalty accounts? And how many persons are involved in the royalty accounts? How to calculate the analysis table of royalty accounts we have discussed for today. First thing, royalty meaning. It is a periodical payment made by one person to another person for using certain rights such as patents, copyrights, trademarks, etc. Royalty meaning nothing but there are two persons are involved in the royalty accounts. One person is called leasee, another person is called leaser. Leasee means who person receiving the land and using the land is called leasee. Leaser means who is the person owner of the land is called leaser. It means owner of the land. Next thing, royalty terms. These things are using the royalty accounts. First thing, lessor. Second thing, leasee. Third thing, royalty and minimum rent, short working, recoupment of short workings. These terms are using the royalty accounts. Leaser means landlord or owner. Leasee means tenant or user. User means using the land is called leasee. Royalty, both leaser and leasee consideration. It means consideration, rent or lease of the land is called royalty. And final one, minimum rent. Minimum rent can be flexible or fixed. Short working. Short working means actually royalty value. It may be increase the minimum rent is called short workings. Recoupment of short working means royalty value. It may be decrease the minimum rent value to compare the accounts. It's called recoupment of short workings. Next thing, I have small sum for you. This is the small sum for royalty accounts. A company leased a colliery on 1192 at a minimum rent of rupees 20,000, merging into a royalty of 1 rupee 50 paise per ton, with the power to recoup short workings over the first 4 years of the lease. The output of the colliery for the first 4 years was 9,000 tons, 12,000 tons, 16,000 tons and 20,000 tons respectively. Give royalty of analysis table. First we have find out minimum rent value. Minimum rent value can be fixed of this sum. Value is rupees 20,000 for 4 years. Second thing, royalty value. Royalty value rupees 1 rupee 50 paise per ton. So output are there. 4 years, 9,000 tons, 12,000 tons, 16,000 tons and 20,000 tons. We have find out royalty of analysis table. First we have calculate royalty value. Royalty value is equal output into royalty rupees. So output are there. First year 9,000, second year 12,000, third year 16 and fourth year 20,000. So first year 9,000 of output into royalty rupees 1 rupee 50 paise per ton. So 9,000 into 1 rupee 50 paise equal 13,500 for first year royalty value. So next 12,000 into 1 rupee 50 paise equal second year value, third year value and fourth year value we have calculate. Next thing, this is the solution of analysis of royalty table. We have find out some columns. First column here, next column output and next column royalty value and next column minimum rent, short working recover, short working irrecover, Finally, we have to payment to landlord. So these columns are using the analysis of royalty. These column only for using the analysis of royalty. First year, second year, third year and fourth year we have find out. Next, output values are there. So output values are 9,000, 12,000, 16,000 and 20,000. And royalty value 1 rupee 50 paise. So 9,000 into 1 rupee 50 paise 13,500. 12,000 1 rupee 50 paise 18,000. 16,000 into 1 rupee 50 paise 24,000. 20,000 into 1 rupee 50 paise 30,000. We have find out. Next thing, minimum rent. Minimum rent values are fixed in 4 years. So minimum rent value does not be changed. 20,000 are mentioned into royalty. So minimum rent value is fixed 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. Next column, short working. Short working means minimum rent value increased to compare royalty value. So 13,500 and 20,000 minus we have find out 6,500. 18,000 minus 20,000 we have find out 2,000. And next column, short working recover. Some notes for you. When royalty values are decreased to compare minimum rent value is called short workings. Short workings recover means when royalty values are increased to compare minimum rent value is called short working recovered. So 24,000 royalty value, minimum rent value 20,000 is called short working for 4,000. Next thing, we have compared to 6,500, 2,000. We have add 8,500 and third year 4,000 start working recovers we have minus. So 8,500 minus 4,000 is equal to 4,500 to find out the final year of short working recover. We have payment to landlord. First year minimum rent value to pay the landlord 20,000. Second year we have paid to 20,000 minimum rent value. So landlord to pay 20,000. Third year we have to pay 20,000 and final year we have paid 25,500. The reason why 25,500 is final year royalty value should be 30,000 and short working recover should be 4,500. So we have minus 30,000 minus 4,500 is equal to 25,500. This is the analysis of royalty table. We calculate it. Thank you.